All right, gang, so today we're going to talk to the system builders. We're talking to the system builders about the top 4 things that will absolutely tank your system as you're building a management system. First one is creating siloed systems. So if you have different silos, and these can be geographical, they can be departmental, they can even be personality-based siloed systems, you're going to have a problem in getting a full integrated management system. The second error that you're going to see, that we've seen repeated 101 times, is over complexity. One of the most important things that I do when I consult is simple wins every time, right? Now, use some common sense. If you make braking systems versus appearance parts, your systems will be drastically different. So don't go as simple as you would for an appearance-based system if you're making safety-critical product. But one of the ways we see a lot of complexity in different systems is in processes within those systems, like change management. As soon as you draft a change management process, somebody is going to come up with this unique thing that happened this one time, and next thing you know, you're stuck in the forever loop of creating different systems, different contingencies within the system, and eventually it becomes so complex that nobody wants to use it. The third is going to be incomplete systems. Now, we see this a lot with product safety. In the IATF, product safety has to be looked at in a variety of processes. And so if you're building a system and it's incomplete because it's missing a significant portion, you will never get an effective management system, because whatever is missing is going to be showing up time and time again. Let's say that we're in the plan, do, check, act cycle, right? PDCA, very basic, day one stuff. However, how often are we pretty good at the checking part? We're okay at the planning part. Typically, we're okay at the doing part. But closing the loop and coming back around to check on the results of those activities is typically lost. And the fourth one is going to be making your system departmental. As an example, one of the tricks that I always use when I consult, put ING at the end of your processes and determine if they make sense. As an example, qualitying is not a word. Quality is a department that has a role to play in testing, manufacturing, changing, designing, developing. You see how the ING will help you avoid departmental-based systems. So those are the 4 ways that we see systems fail as consultants in the field, and I hope that this little short video has helped you avoid some of those as a system builder. So join us at Plexus INTL for more on systems, core tools, and everything else manufacturing related.